Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. For a while now I've been on a kick to get a South Bend Heavy 10 lathe. I've been watching Brad Jacobs videos, and I kind of like what he's got going on with his lathe. The more I look at it, the more I like it. I think it's a nice little unit. I mean, you know, nothing heavy duty like some of the larger lathes, but it looks pretty stout, pretty sturdy. So I found this little guy on Craigslist, gave the guy a call, had a couple issues with the guy. He ended up being a very nice guy, and we worked out our problems, and I actually drove there twice and picked it up today. So it looks like a very late model lathe. I'm not going to say it's one of the last ones made by South Bend, but you know, I have a few South Bends already. I have not seen a lathe with a plastic gear cover. Interesting. But I don't have it hooked up right now, otherwise I'd turn it on for you. It is a very nice, smooth running lathe. It's quiet. Extremely quiet. Kind of like my 13. Even with the back gears engaged, it's quiet. It came with the big spindle bore. It came with the D13 spindle, so you know that's a fantastic feature. A buck three jaw chuck, or a bison 3-jaw chuck, which aside from a little surface dirt, looks like it's practically brand new. The jaws look in excellent condition. It came with a micrometer stop. Also the large dials, which you know, all the newer lathes they did, and it looks like they're the direct reading dials, which is nice. Flame hardened bed. Came with some tooling. You know, the typical Armstrong stuff, which, you know, I'm just gonna keep in the drawer there in case I decide to ever sell it. It came with the Collet Wheel, the Collet nose, some interesting, very small. Looks like I can put inserts in here. I've never seen them this small before, but I'm sure that's fine. That's going to be a great thing. It came with the threading wheel, and I don't know what else really to say about it. Oh, it also has the 2-speed motor, so that's a plus. I have high and low, plus your typical you know, 3 steps on the belt. So a couple things I did notice on the lathe: it seems like it's leaking oil real bad. Anybody knows if I can just unscrew the oilers and put some sealant around them without disturbing the felts and ripping the whole head apart just for the time being, would be great. The bed is in nice shape. Could use a good cleaning. The threads are very clean. The lead screw is very clean. Like I said, it's quiet. It runs very nicely. We have 3 shelves in the cabinet, which makes me quite happy. I'm going to go ahead and make some pull-out drawers for it. I'll use some of those drawers under the shelf drawer slides, and I'll make them full extension, and I'll put some oak or something in there so we could pull them out, maybe store collets and, you know, tooling or whatever, some of my many accessories that I have laying around. And I haven't really looked at the motor. It's a Baldor. I don't know. Of course, it's upside down. I can't read it. I'll take a shot of that later and see if I can figure out how many horsepower. I'm guessing it's probably 1 horsepower. But 3-phase unit, extremely nice. And to top it all off, I'm going to go pick up another one of these tomorrow. It is an older unit. It has the one tumbler with the shifter on top, so I know it's older. It doesn't have this clutch. It's got the hand wheel, but it has the arm collet closer. So I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to, take some of the parts off of it, hopefully, and then possibly just resell it, because I'm kind of out of room with lathes and such. But here it is. Happy I got it. Of course, I'm going to do a thorough cleaning, and then I'll get it in working. It's in working condition now, but I'll clean it up nice and take everything apart. At least the easy stuff to take apart. Make sure everything is nice and clean, so I don't put any wear on it while I'm using it. So that is the update for today. Thanks for watching, and this video actually is going out to Brad, and it's going out to Lyle Peterson, Mr. Pete 222, another great guy. But Mr. Pete always has a lathe following him home, and I kind of was a little, I'm not going to say jealous or envious of that, but I kind of thought, well, maybe I should have a lathe follow me home too. So this one did. So for all you guys watching, have a great day and get out in your workshop and build something. Take care.